Hello, everybody. Hi, Emil. This virtual SolidCAM Summit is creating quite a buzz. I can tell you that resellers and customers are very excited about it. We are expecting to see attendees from all over the world. SolidCAM staff, affiliates, resellers, customers, and potential customers. Definitely a large audience for these two summit days. So tell me, who will be presenting?
A variety of SolidCAM experts. First, three of our technical gurus. SolidCAM Product Manager Michael Benetsky, our 3D milling simultaneous 5-axis Product Manager Amod Onkar, and our COO Technical of SolidCAM GmbH, Michael Ledisky. Three additional interesting presenters include Sean Maimudis, COO of SolidCAM USA and a sales and marketing expert, Svika Friedman, our VP Sales for Israel and Japan, a sales powerhouse, and our SolidCAM International Support Manager, Daniel Yurika, our reseller support and post expert. All talented and creative experts. Also, there will be a very interesting invited lecture about the end of procrastination.
Wow, maybe this will teach me how to stop putting off things. I can tell you that I definitely need to hear this lecture. So tell me, is it worthwhile to see both half days, or maybe one is enough?
Definitely both half days. We made sure that each of the two half days will have its assorted mix of technical, marketing, and sales sessions. Our recently released powerful version, SolidCAM 2021, will be the star of the technical session with its new tool table, a new SolidCAM simulator, additional functionality in all modules, including 2.5D milling, turning, 3D milling, iMachining 2D and 3D, simultaneous 5-axis, advanced mill turn, and Swiss type solution. In 2020, which was definitely a challenging year for all, advanced mill turn and Swiss type solutions became the star in our sales because of the strength of our solutions and the small number of serious competitors. Obviously, having excellent technical support and post staff for these advanced applications is the other major ingredient for success in addition to our powerful product. Two new products, the SolidCAM Shop Floor Editor and the Shop Floor Simulator, will also be demonstrated. SolidCAM Shop Floor Editor enables the machining operator to open existing CAM parts, view all their details, including tool table, fixtures, etc., edit them if needed, simulate them, including machine simulation, and regenerate G-code for the CNC machine. Our Shop Floor Simulator enables the machinist to see a simulation of the CAM part, see the tool table with all details, understand the clamping, the home positions, and to see the entire machining picture, including machine simulation, before running the G-code on the CNC machine. Both products can run either standalone or integrated in SolidWorks. At the end of the second day, we will also give a sneak peek of SolidCAM 2022.
Sneak peek, I like the sound of that. Can you give us a hint of what to expect in the sneak peek?
Definitely. I will give you some inside information about the two main interesting and exciting new planned projects for SolidCAM 2022. The first project is SolidCAM CAM Parts Assembly and Shop Floor Project Management, enabling our users to optimize the assembly of several CAM parts together, thus reducing the total machining time and introducing automation to the manufacturing process. The next stage of this project will be to synchronize the work of several CNC machines, basically shop floor project management. The second project is SolidCAM's Capture Best Practices Machining Wizard that automatically learns from SolidCAM users' work and generates both an automation script and provides automatic input defaults. This will be achieved by a combination of artificial intelligence and machine learning methods. Artificial intelligence is the technology of the future and is being leveraged practically in every important technical field. SolidCAM, by being the first CAM company to integrate AI in our SolidCAM product, is basically defining the future of CAM.
These two major developments in SolidCAM 2022 will provide great tools to our machine shop customers and puts us miles ahead of our CAM competitors. Definitely something to wait for.
Yes, and I want to add that if any of you have doubts about our ability to succeed in these two important projects, just remember that SolidCAM has invented the amazing patented eye machining technology that has revolutionized machining at each of our customers who bought it, resulting in unbelievable savings in machining time and tool usage, and providing the eye machining wizard that automatically calculates optimal feeds and speeds for all material types.
Sounds really exciting, especially since artificial intelligence is fast becoming the wave of the future.
Definitely.
Now, I also want to give you a sneak peek. 5 lucky attendees who will register and attend the event will win the Surface Pro Microsoft Notebook, loaded with a full SolidCAM system with all modules for a 6-month evaluation period.
Wow, this is definitely a worthwhile prize. But the lectures themselves are the highlights of this event. So we hope you register and attend, and make sure to communicate with us through our online chat channels during the summit. We'll answer all your questions either in real time or later by email.
The virtual summit agenda is available in our SolidCAM forum and in the homepage of our website. We will be sending registration notices soon. And regarding the SolidCAM forum, I cannot overemphasize how important this is. Resellers are brainstorming in the forum about marketing, sales, and technical aspects of SolidCAM. We just heard from Sean Maimudis from SolidCAM USA how Gordon Drysdale from SolidCAM UK assisted him with a technical query and helped him close a major deal. And this was all done through the forum. We also have a special guest area so that any person interested in CAM can ask any question he wants. So please join and become contributing members to the SolidCAM community. Now, I want to answer 5 of the most frequently asked questions about the summit. First of all, people are asking me, who can join? Everybody. SolidCAM affiliates, resellers, staff, customers, potential customers, and any guests with interest in the CAM domain. Will it be live streamed, or how will it be live streamed? Yes, it will be live streamed in a special virtual summit area in our website. But only people who have registered will be able to access the summit. They can do it through their computers or their smartphones. When customers are asking, or resellers, when will the registration start and where can you register? The registration will start on March 5, and it will be through a special area in our website. Resellers are asking whether it will be possible to ask questions during the event. Yes, we will have an online chat capability during the event. We will answer either in real time or later by email. The last question, Emil, I would like you to answer it. Resellers are asking me, how can we make sure that all our customers and potential customers will join? Maybe, can you tell them?
Good question. We are going to make a lot of advertising for this event, including email invitations to all customers and potential customers in our Salesforce CRM system, advertising in social media, CAM forums, Google Ads, etc. Also, it is up to each reseller to make sure the invitation is sent to all their local customers and potential customers. This is of utmost importance to get the maximum benefit of this summit event. I want to emphasize that all reseller customers who are not on subscription will be motivated to go back on subscription when they will see all the new powerful capabilities in SolidCAM 2021. Also, potential customers will understand what SolidCAM can do for them, thereby assisting our resellers in the sales process to turn each potential customer into an actual buying customer.
We are all very excited about this summit. Don't forget to register starting on March 5. So that's it, folks. We wish you all a successful year 2021, and we are looking forward to meeting you online at this important event.
See you guys.
See you.